This is REALME V60 Pro, and today I'll show how you can switch on the power saving mode on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to launch your device's settings, then enter the battery category and go into power saving mode. Now you can switch it on or off. You can also use the control panel tile to quickly toggle the battery saver off or on. I do not have a tile for it, so let's go into the Edit Tiles interface and add the power saving mode shortcut from the More Tiles list. Here it is. So let's edit real quick. And now you can switch this feature on or off from the control panel as well, from anywhere on your system. So you will not have a need to use Settings app. You can also switch on the Super Power Saving mode, which will make your device last even longer. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.